This video is going to show you how to make cheap, easy, fast cable organizers for a single cable or a bundle of cables. And at the end it will kind of look something like this. All you need is a cutting board, a set of Velcro tape which you can buy on Amazon or at a hardware store for $5 or less, an X-Acto knife, and then the cable that you're going to be making the cable organizer for. So it's pretty easy. You just take the cable, you fold it up how you want it to be folded while it's going to be tied up. So once you have an idea of how thick that's going to be, you just take the Velcro tape, wrap it around, just give it like maybe 1.5 good times around, and that will just tell you around how long you need the cable to be. So once you know where that is, you can just mark that, take that off, use the X-Acto knife to cut it right there. Then after that, you just need to create a little slit inside. So on the back, on the less furry side of it, you just cut 2 slits right next to each other. Maybe cut them into about distances of about 1/3. And the size of this hole will depend on the type of cable and what needs to pass through it. But you can just eyeball it. It's really not that difficult. So once you do that, you can pass one end of the cable through like this. And that pretty much creates the cable tie. It always stays with the cable. You never take it off. And then when you want to bundle it up, just wrap it around. And you've got it. Now you can wrap it around 2 ways. You can wrap it around that way, or you can actually reverse it and wrap it around the other way so that the furry side is on the inside, and it works both ways. And it actually becomes a little bit important when you start to use multiple cables, because what you want to do is you want to alternate that. So if you have a cable that's wrapped with the furry side on the inside, then you want to pair it with one where the furry side is on the outside, and then they stick together. And so at the end, for about $5, you could make probably 30 or maybe even 40 of these things, and they're great on their own or together, and it's cheap.